Welcome to the beachfront of the famous Lackawan Island Resort. Right here, again and over again, Cadiz City, province of Negros Occidental. Look at that inviting body of water nga welcome sa inyo. Look at that. And not just that. Oh, did you see that wharf? Na dra kamo madungka. And that famous footbridge, wooden bridge, and it's beautiful sand. Wow. How beautiful it is. But on the other side, we could see amo yung beachfront, right? The amoning welcome. Well, this is the imbukada gid sang isla. But on the other side, on my other clip, you could see mga basura. Hindi basura sang Lackawan, basura brought by the ocean, by the waters to this island. Basura nga halin sa kundi indiin man nga mga komunidad, halin sa mga tao, sa aton nga mga tao. And in my other clips, nakita ninyo naman siguro that there are so many things need to be repaired diri sa Lackawan. They were tanan man kita wala sang nakalikaw sa ginhimo sang pandemic. And Lackawan, even how luxurious, high-end this island resort, still dako ang damage, dako ang impact. It only shows that wala, those who are wala sa kings ka man, queens ka man, or whatsoever, whoever ka man, even a luxurious kind of resort, a high-end, a mambal naton nga makastand gid nga isa ka institusyon kung agyan gali sa mga katulad sa to sang pandemic. Every one of us tanan would kneel down na parehas sa ato na. So just like sa tao sa ato, no, this beautiful facade of Lackawan, just like us, sometimes that those things that need to be repaired within us, we portray a beautiful facade. And behind those beautiful smiles, there are so much things that need, so much patches that need to be patched. Mga cracks that need nga hindi lang siguro basta kulapan, ay tikon kulapan. As time goes by, di ba? Mas-surface na Japon ang mga cracks. Uy, hugot aga pa ba? And every one of us, we should always be grateful. Especially kung ano man ang gindulot sa pandemic. We should be grateful nga we're here. Nga we're able to survive. And we will continue to survive. Just like Lackawan, thriving. Kita pa ihan, di ba? Ma-repair lang na iyang pwede i-repair. We could catch up to the lost times. Pero pinaka-importante, hindi lang kita mag-wear sang smile sa panlabas. We should smile within. Dapat ang aton smile, ang aton nga happiness, starts from within. Oh God, look at that. Welcome to Lakawon. Enjoy!